How much should you actually spend on a gaming mouse? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Razer Basilisk V3. First up is the Razer Basilisk V3, priced at $34.98. What grabbed my attention here is its customizable ergonomic design and those 11 programmable buttons. If you want a mouse that really adapts to your gaming style, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The Basilisk V3 features an iconic ergonomic design with a thumb rest that supports your hand, making those long gaming sessions way more comfortable. Plus, the 11 programmable buttons let you assign macros and crucial commands, which is a game changer when you're in the middle of a heated match. The 26K DPI optical sensor ensures precise tracking, so every flick and swipe feels fluid and responsive. This mouse is favored by millions, and according to recent sales data, it's a popular choice among gamers. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit large for smaller hands. Here's the thing though, if you have average to larger hands, this won't be an issue at all. It's all about finding what fits you best. This is perfect for you if you love customization and want to enhance your gaming experience without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra portable or have smaller hands. For $34.98, you're getting a solid value for a high quality gaming mouse. Now, if the size of the Basilisk V3 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Razer Death Adder Essential. Next up is the Razer Death Adder Essential, coming in at just $24.99. This sleek mouse caught my eye because of its high-precision 6400 DPI optical sensor. If you're looking for reliable performance without the frills, this one is definitely worth considering. So why is this a good option? The Death Adder Essential offers on-the-fly sensitivity adjustments, which means you can easily switch DPI settings with a button press. This is super helpful whether you're sniping from a distance or zooming across the battlefield. It also features durable mechanical switches that can handle up to 10 million clicks, which is perfect for those intense gaming sessions. Plus, the rubberized side grips give you that extra control you need during those crucial moments. It's no wonder this model is a staple for many gamers. However, some users mentioned that it lacks some additional features that newer models boast. Here's the thing though, if you want something straightforward without a bunch of gimmicks, this is a great pick for you. This is ideal for casual gamers or those just getting into the scene. Skip this if you're looking for something loaded with features or RGB lighting. At $24.99, it's a fantastic value for a mouse that gets the job done. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious gamers with a need for wireless convenience.
Product number 3, Razer Basilisk V3X Hyperspeed. Coming in at a fascinating price point, the Razer Basilisk V3X Hyperspeed offers a wireless option that truly impressed me. If you want freedom of movement without sacrificing quality, this is a solid choice. Here's why this product could be your next favorite. It features Razer's Hyperspeed wireless technology, which means you get ultra-low latency and a seamless connection. If you're like me and dislike the hassle of wires, this is a game changer. Plus, with up to 285 hours of battery life, you can game for days without worrying about charging. The 18K optical sensor is another highlight, ensuring that your aim is pixel perfect, whether you're in a close quarters fight or sniping from afar. It's got customizable RGB lighting too, which adds a bit of flair to your setup. Now, some complaints have come up regarding the weight, as it might feel a bit light for some gamers. Here's my take. If you prefer a lighter mouse for fast-paced gaming, this could be a perfect fit. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality wireless mouse that doesn't skimp on performance. Skip this if you're a fan of heavier mice or need something ultra-budget friendly. For what you're getting, it's worth every penny. Next, if you want something even more budget-friendly but still functional, let's check out a more affordable option.
Product number 4, Banggood Gaming Mouse. Now, let's look at the Banggood Gaming Mouse, retailing for just $11.99. What caught my eye is its RGB backlighting and adjustable DPI settings. If you're on a super tight budget but still want some flair and functionality, this is worth a look. So why
why should you consider this one? The Bengu comes with a DPI range from 1200 up to 3600, which means you can easily switch speeds based on your gaming needs. Plus, it has 6 programmable buttons that allow you to tailor controls for various games. The RGB lighting not only looks cool, but can also enhance your gaming environment. And its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during long gaming sessions. With over 1,000 sold this month alone, it's clear that this mouse resonates with budget-conscious gamers. However, some users reported that it may not be as durable as pricier options. Here's the thing. If you're gentle with your gear, this shouldn't be an issue, but heavy users might want to consider something more robust. This is ideal for newcomers or casual gamers looking for a functional mouse without spending much. Skip this if you need a long-lasting, high-performance setup. At just $11.99, it's a steal for what you get. Now, if you want a more premium feel without going overboard, let's take a look at our final pick.
Product number 5, Logitech G305 Lightspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse. Finally, we have the Logitech G305 Lightspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse, priced at $40.29. The first thing that caught my attention was its hero sensor and lightweight design. If you want a wireless mouse that doesn't compromise on performance, this one is definitely worth your time. Why does this mouse stand out? The hero sensor can reach a stunning 12,000 DPI, which is perfect for precision tasks like sniping or intense gaming. The ultra-fast Lightspeed wireless technology ensures you won't experience lag, making it feel just as responsive as wired mice. Plus, the battery life is impressive, lasting up to 250 hours on a single AA battery. This makes it ideal for long gaming marathons. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to take on the go, whether you're heading to a friend's house or a gaming tournament. That said, a few users mentioned it feels a bit small for larger hands. Here's the deal. If you have average to small hands, it should work perfectly for you, but larger hands might find it less comfortable. This is perfect for serious gamers who want a reliable and high-performance mouse without spending a fortune. Skip this if you have larger hands or prefer a heavier mouse. For $40.29, you get a fantastic wireless option that blends quality with affordability.
So, to wrap it up, we've covered the Razer Basilisk V3 for customization, the Razer Death Adder Essential for straightforward performance, the Razer Basilisk V3X for wireless convenience, the budget-friendly Bengu for casual gamers, and the Logitech G305 for premium features in a lightweight package. Each has its strengths depending on what you're looking for. Choose wisely, and happy gaming!